Yo, what's up everybody? So today we're going to be doing some maintenance on the Epson F2100. So the Epson F2100 is pretty smart and it'll actually let you know when the maintenance needs to be done on the printer. And if you take a look right here, it says the head cleaning set is nearing its life. So just to give you an idea of what that is, it's going to be this. There's some caps under here and that filter right there. So let's do it. First things first, get yourself some gloves. These things are a lifesaver. When we open the box here, this is going to be the capping station and a new waste pad. This is that wiper unit that actually keeps the head clean. So this is very important. So we got to get everything out of the box and set aside, ready to go. Let's get this opened up here. Inside, these are those gloves I was telling you about. They're garbage, just toss them. There's your capping station filter. Let's get your new gloves on, baby. Over to your printer, hit your maintenance button, scroll down to head cleaning set, hit the right arrow, and just follow the prompts on the screen. It's pretty self-explanatory. You'll want to go ahead and hit the right arrow to proceed and hit yes, hit OK. There you go. Your platen's going to slide back and your head's going to undock. Then it'll actually tell you to open up the lid. So that's the capping station that I was telling you about, and that's that wiper that keeps the head clean. So you're going to want to replace that. So let's grab your old one. There's a little tab on the back. You just pull up real quick. It's super easy. It doesn't like lock into place. It just kind of seats in there. So we'll yank that out. Set it on that cardboard so you don't get ink everywhere. And you honestly, you just drop the new one in. It's really simple. Now on this capping station here, there's a little tab that keeps that locked into place. You're going to want to move that tab back, then pull your capping station out. And there's a little hole on the front that'll slide onto a peg in there. So that's right there. That faces the front towards you. That same little hole right there, you just want to line it up and get it dropped in. It's really easy to do. It's just holding the camera and doing it one-handed. I kind of struggled a little bit, so that's my bad. But you just drop it right in, and as soon as it seats in there properly, that little tab right there will lock it in. So you're good to go on that. We're going to go ahead and close the lid, press OK. Yes, because you installed a new one. It's basically, that's what it's asking you. So your head is now going back to the docking position. It's going to tell you to open your cover again. Now it's time to get that waste pad out of there. And you just pull up on this tab on the left-hand side. It's in there pretty tight, so just don't be afraid to yank on it. Pull it out. You can see it gets really gross. So I personally like to wipe the inside of this little catch tray out because there is residual ink that gets dropped in there and you really don't want that building up. You grab your new waste pad and it just goes back in the same way you took the other one out. There's two little tabs right here that fit under that little area there, and you just push it down and you're good to go. Close the lid, hit OK. It's that simple, guys. So the F2100 makes it super simple as far as maintenance goes. It's really nice that it's like all self-contained like that. So if you have any questions, ask in the comments below, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.